So today is release day for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Right here. Call of Duty. I'm recording this. I don't have a tripod or anything because I just moved. I'm recording on my phone 11 Pro Max. So there is no more really saving the plastic. I used to, say the plastic over the joints or whatever, but I haven't had gold since the 6 Plus or the 6S Plus, whatever. Look at it. Look at it. Bling, bling. Bling. Now that looks gold. And it just comes with a lightning cable. No USB-C. And hopefully it has a SIM card removal tool. Oh, it does. And a single Apple. Make it rain. Go ahead and rip this bad boy off of here. Take a little real quick though. It feels a little bigger than the 11 Pro. Take this off real quick. Get the little symbols on here and whatnot. Lightning cable. And I think this little ending in here is really, really dope. Power this boy on. I should have bought a screen protector. I got a case though, so forget about it. Whoa, that smirks very easily. Can you see that? Fingerprints. Fingerprint magnet. My nails are not cut, so excuse that. That's a nice finish though, man. I love the way this thing feels. Look at that 5G. I'll be turning that sucker off though, because I heard it kills the battery. And it's really not why I got this phone at all either. You feel me? Alright, so let me go ahead and hook this up.